Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel iEducation. Today we will learn how to install Python in a Windows operating system. To install a Python software, you have to download it from www.python.org. Here you in home screen you will get one option of download. There you will get different OS software for different OS. For Windows, if you want to download, just click on Windows. In top you will get the latest release, and in bottoms you will get different versions of Pythons. You can install any version. So there are multiple options available according to your operating system. You can install 32-bit or 64-bit, or you have an option to install zip file or direct executable installer. So right now I am going to just download one executable installer so that we can directly run that program. As soon you click on that icon, your file will be downloaded. As you can see, the file is downloading. So after this, when this downloads completes, then you have to just install this software. So now the file has downloaded. So I will click on this file to install the Python software. When you click, you will get one option where you have to select install now, and just it will take few times for setup process. The setup process has begun, and soon it will finish. So after successful completion, you can close this window, and now you can go to the Python program. You will get one Python program, and there are many options. Firstly, we will select the first one. After clicking this, you will get this type of window. Here you can, this is USL. You can type whatever program you want. Just for example, I will just use a simple function of printf to print something. So I am typing hello world, and when I will press enter, the output will be hello world. So same thing you can also get it from the command prompt also. For that also, you can select the option of command prompt, then again you can type the same program, you will get the same result. But what is the difference between these two? The first one is user friendly. You have multiple options like file, edit, cell, debug, option, windows, and help. If you want to execute the same code, or you want to take some help from this earlier one, you can edit your file. So this way you have multiple options available with you. So now we have installed our program and also run our program. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel iEducation.